before start working on any kind of a project, that can either be your research project or your professional project, you should bring your thoughts, your processes on one page or in one picture, so that you can brainstorm on the ideas, you can work on the processes, you can set the steps, you can align the availabilities, and then start working on that project. And this whole process is called mind mapping. For that purpose, there are multiple platforms and tools available in the market, and in this video I'm going to explore a free tool which is available with unlimited uses, and you can use it to set the steps and the flow of any kind of a project you are planning to work on. You can access this tool from the link available in the description box, and the name of the tool is Miro. You may be familiar with, and when you open the link you will get this kind of an interface. At the moment I'm going to use its free version, so your and mine interface will be the same, an interface where it will give you a different kind of templates, so you can start working on without getting panic, and you can understand the tool very easily. For that purpose, you can use its different kind of templates, and you can use explore template feature. As you can see, there are different type of templates available by use case. For example, if you want to plan your meetings and workshops, you can use this kind of templates. For ideation and brainstorming, there are different type of templates available, and a list of other templates you can find on Miro includes research and design, agile workflows, strategy and planning, diagramming and mapping, presentations and slides. So there is a lot of for researchers and people who are in academia to explore on Miro. And for example, I'm going to do some research and I have to design the workflow of, for example, my 1 year research plan. Then I will go for research and design, and for that purpose there are different kind of templates available again, and each one have different category. For example, customer journey mapping, research insights synthesis, customer touch point mapping, app designs, prototype and all that, featured audit, and some of them have been designed for marketing purposes. Here is the information about this template, and these are some related examples. People work on this template and customize it according to their own requirements. For example, if we want to use this, we just click on it. There are two options. You want to use pre-filled or you want to use a black template. So if you like that this information is pretty much related yours information you want to put in, you can use this specific template. Otherwise you can go for the blank one. So this is specifically the maps and the sketch and decide and prototype and test. So this is about the complete designs, and they have put the steps over here, and you can use this specific template and can make addition in it, and I can make changes in it just by putting the cursor over the place where I want to make changes. I zoom out and zoom in by using these two features, and even by using my cursor. You can use text, you can make changes in the shape, structure, text, and you can delete some areas and can expand according to your requirement. There is another very important thing which I talked about earlier, that is the flow chart or the mind map, the thing which you have to work on before starting project. For example, this is my idea, and this idea works on these basic 3 parameters, and this one parameter then again expand into 4 different types, and this is depending upon these 4 different kind of sub parameters or sub stages. Then I can design it in the form of a workflow, and this is the type of a workflow or mind map I can develop, and I can make it according to the my requirement. I can choose any. There are different kind of templates which are available for mind mapping even, and you can use them. You can just write your problem. For example, I am going to work on a research proposal planning, and I will just click on it, and I will add the 3 main steps I have to follow when I will start working on my research proposal. And for example, if I say literature gathering, then what I have to do for literature gathering, I will click on it and I can expand it or I can minimize it. And if you want to make changes and make a copy any template, or want to delete or save it or create a frame, I can use these options available for editing. You can explore it when you open it, and you will find mind-blowing options over there. And for example, literature gathering, then again I can mention the specific topics and categories, that these are the specific areas about which I want to gather the literature, and then how I link this literature with each other. So I can do a mind mapping. I can bring all my initial thoughts on these platforms before moving to working on that specific project. So if you didn't use any kind of a tool for mind mapping or for brainstorming or for bringing your ideas at one place, then Miro is the best choice, because it's free, it's easy to use, it have a lot of built-in templates. You can access this tool from the description. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with others, because it's definitely going to help others who are in your circle, and it's free to share. We'll see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.